Welcome to the unboxing and setup guide for the Cooperweld CW501DP welding machine. Let's begin by opening the box. Inside, you'll find the instruction manual, the main welding unit, followed by the accessory box containing all the cables and components required for setup. Now let's take a look at what's inside the accessory box. Inside, you'll find the torch liner, earth clamp cable, wire fittings, contact tips for the torch and hose clamps, different drive rollers for various wire sizes, the welding torch, the interconnection cable, and the mounting rod used to install the wire feeder on top of the main welding unit. Open the box containing the wire feeder and place the unit on the ground. Secure the mounting rod onto the top of the welding machine, then mount the wire feeder onto the rod. Ensure it is seated firmly and remains stable while moving freely. This unit will be set up together with the CW1026 water cooler. Follow along step by step to complete the installation. Remove the rear panel screws, pass the cables through the back, and secure them using the clamp provided. Connect the interconnection power cable to the positive port. Connect the 6-pin control cable to the 6-pin socket. Connect the gas hose to the gas port. Use the rubber sleeve to protect the cables, position the cable holder over them, and tighten everything securely. Now connect the other end of the interconnection cable to the positive terminal at the back of the welding machine, followed by the 6-pin control cable. Next, connect the earth clamp to the negative terminal on the front of the machine. Now connect the main torch to the torch port on the front of the wire feeder. From the torch assembly, connect the water in hose to the water in port and the water out hose to the water out port on the wire feeder. Connect the red hose to the red port on the water cooling unit and to the corresponding red port on the wire feeder located below the interconnection cable. Then connect the blue hose to the blue port on the water cooling unit and to the blue port beside the red port on the wire feeder. Next, connect the water flow sensor cable between the water cooling unit and the main welding machine. Now connect the water coolant power cable to the designated outlet at the back of the welding machine. Connect the other end of the gas hose to the gas tank. Place the wire spool securely inside the wire feeder. Take the end of the welding wire from the spool and feed it through the drive roll assembly. Lower the pressure arms and lock the levers into position. Connect the torch to the front of the wire feeder, ensuring the welding wire feeds smoothly into the torch liner before tightening it securely. After completing the wire setup and connections, close the side panel securely, followed by the wire spool compartment. The CW501DP operates on a 3-phase power supply. Connect the power cable to L1, L2, L3, and the earth terminal as indicated. Then connect the machine to a 3-phase industrial power socket. Set the selector switch to water mode, since we'll be using the water cooler. Fill the water cooler with the recommended coolant. Connect the earth clamp securely to the metal piece to be welded. Turn on the main power supply, followed by the power switch on the welding machine. The coolant will now begin circulating through the system. Now let's take a look at the front control panel of the Cooperweld CW501DP. At the top left is the welding mode selection. Press the selection key to cycle through the welding modes: DC MIG-MAG, Pulse MIG-MAG, Duplex Pulse MIG-MAG, and MMA. The indicator light shows the currently selected welding mode. Next is material selection. Press the selection key to choose the material type, such as solid steel, stainless steel, or aluminum options. The indicator light confirms the selected material. Below that is gas selection. Press the selection key to choose the shielding gas mixture. Options include 100% CO2, 82% argon with 18% CO2, 98% argon with 2% CO2, and 100% argon. The indicator light shows the selected gas type. Next is wire diameter selection. Press the selection key to cycle through the available wire sizes: 0.8, 1.0, 1.2, or 1.6 millimeters. The illuminated indicator shows the selected wire diameter. On the right side is operation mode selection. Available options include Spot, 2T, Spot 2T, 4T, and Spot 4T. Press the selection key to switch between these modes. The panel also features two digital displays. The left display is the current column. Here you can select parameters such as current in amps, wire feed speed in meters per minute, base metal thickness, arc force, and program. The right display is the voltage column. This column allows you to adjust parameters such as voltage, time in seconds, duty cycle, frequency in hertz, and job settings. To select a parameter, press the selection key for that column. The indicator light will show which parameter is currently active. To adjust the value, rotate the parameter adjustment knob. The middle selection key allows you to cycle through different welding process stages, such as pre-gas flow, start increment, slope up, peak current, base current, slope down, crater filler, and post-gas flow. Once a stage is selected, rotate the adjustment knob to change its value. The wire check button allows you to feed the wire without welding. Press once to start the wire feeder and press again to stop. Next is the gas check button. Press it once to open the gas flow for testing and press again to close the gas circuit. On the right side are the job management keys. Press F1 to save the current welding parameters and press F2 to load a saved job. If the machine detects any abnormal condition, the alarm indicator will light up and an error code may appear on the display. And that's a quick overview of the front control panel of the Cooperweld CW501DP.
You are now ready to start welding. Fit the gas nozzle over the contact tip and ensure it is securely in place. Ensure all safety precautions are followed, including wearing proper welding gloves, a welding mask, and protective equipment.
Cooperweld. Weld smarter, not harder.